Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, make sure battery is above 50% and remove the SD card to avoid data mix. Power the phone off completely, then press and hold volume up plus power and Bixby if present. Keep holding until you see the Android or recovery menu. That takes you into the device recovery environment. Once the recovery screen appears, use volume keys to move and power to select. Make sure you see the Android System Recovery header before proceeding to System Options. Once in recovery, try Wipe Cache Partition first. It clears temporary files and can restore missing menu entries. If Wipe Data/Factory Reset is not visible, navigate to apply Update or Repair from ADB to retrigger factory options. You can also connect to a PC. Use ADB sideload to push an update or Odin mode to reflash stock firmware. This restores recovery and reset functionality. Make sure to follow model-specific firmware files. Wrong files can brick the device. After performing Wipe Cache, Data, or Reflash, select Reboot System now to complete the process. The phone will rebuild data and settings. If the factory reset option remains missing, reflash the stock recovery image or take the device to an authorized service center to avoid further damage. One key troubleshooting tip: if flashing fails or the device won't boot, stop and seek professional help. Continuing can corrupt partitions. Make sure you backed up everything before any reflash or reset attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.